Hey guys, welcome back to Bakewithbanusamee. Today I am going to share a very easy banana bread recipe. It's a very simple recipe. You don't have to knead and no eggs at all. See, it's super fluffy and super soft. Let's get started. Before starting, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Take 2 large ripe banana. It should be 250 grams. Use ripe bananas because ripe bananas gives more flavor and sweetness to our bread. Try to use ripe bananas, don't use normal bananas. And mash the banana with fork. Mash it properly. We don't want any big chunks in our banana bread. See? It mashed well and keep it aside. In a bowl, take 100 grams of milk. To that add 5 grams of instant dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix well with spatula until the yeast is completely combined with milk and let it rest for about 10 minutes to get the yeast activate. After 10 minutes, add our mashed bananas. To that add half teaspoon of salt and 380 grams of all-purpose flour, that is maida, and mix well with spatula. You can use wheat flour too instead of all-purpose flour. It will be healthy for you. So I am switching to hand and knead just until the dough is completely combined. Now to this add 30 grams of softened butter. Butter should be very soft and knead for about just a minute or so. It hardly take 1 minute. The butter is well combined. See? Now add a little oil on top of the dough to prevent dryness. Cling wrap and let it rise in warm place for about 1 to 1.5 hours until it double in size. For me, it took 1.5 hours to rise the dough. It depends on your climate. If you are in very cold place like me, it will take 1 to 1.5 hours. If you are in warm place, it will hardly take 1 hour. Now add little flour on surface. Just make a log like this. And cut into 2 halves. Then round a dough and divide into 8 parts. Divide properly. Each dough will be around 45 to 50 grams for me. And knead each small dough and make a round shape like this. And repeat the same for the rest of the dough also. Now take a pan and brush with butter. You can use round inch pan or square. Here I am using 9-inch square pan. And place the dough into the pan. And let it rise for about 1 hour again. Keep it in warm place. Cover and rest for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, look at this. It's double in size. It raised perfectly. Now, brush milk on top of the dough. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes and bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes depending on your oven. Look at this. For me, it took 25 minutes to bake this bread, and brush the top with butter while it's hot. It gives nice fragrance to our bread. And let it cool for about 5 minutes. Look at this. It's so soft. When I press, it springs back easily. It's so soft and full of banana flavor. Do try it and let me know how it is turned out for you. And please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.